Hi. So we've all seen many detective TV series, read many novels. We all know great detectives such as Sherlock Holmes, Jessica Fletcher from Murder, She Wrote, and things like this. And you can see where I'm going with this. We're going to teach you some expressions specifically to do with detective work. This may be useful or maybe not, but it's going to be a bit of fun. So the setting is, you're in a mansion, you are the detective of course, and it's a posh party you've been invited to. Something happens all of a sudden, but you cannot put your finger on exactly what it is. And that means you cannot quite figure out what has happened. You cannot put your finger on it. Then, with a little bit more investigation, you begin to think about things and you have a hunch. And to have a hunch, of course, is to think about things and have this feeling, but without any facts yet. And you have a hunch that somebody in the house has been kidnapped. Ha! You find out that the son of the owner of the mansion has been kidnapped. So what do? You set out to track them down. And to track down somebody is, of course, to follow the clues until you find them. Then you finally track down the son, who is actually playing video games in his friend's house, and it dawns on you, it's all been a charade. Dawns on you means you realize something. The son had simply escaped from the house, gone and played video games with his friend. Why? So he didn't have to do his homework. And there you have solved the mystery.